Hola, this is Marisol and that is Carl. Come and look at our adventure van. It is almost done. We wanted a beach theme, so we used some rope for trim in several places. Our cabinets have blue leather handles, rattan inserts, and soft close hinges. We have a closet for hanging clothes with a cabinet underneath for storage. Next to it is a pull-out pantry. There are 4 more cabinets on the other side. We trimmed the windows with more rope. We added some baskets for fruits and vegetables. A nice stainless steel sink with a wood cover. A faucet with an extra long hose that can reach outside and double as a shower inside the van. A flip-up extension for the countertop. In the back, there is a dining area that converts into a bed. And our custom artwork on the door. We hope you like our van. Follow us for more.